queen. In the spotlight she shines so bright, a voice that resonates through the night. With every note she takes us higher, a melody that captures our fire. Rosie, Rosie, with your R&B flow, you've got us feeling the soul. Rosie, Rosie, your music knows no bounds. You're the top of the charts we're all about. Your story's told through lyrics bold, a journey through love, heartache, and gold. Each song a chapter, a page turned, a tale of triumph never burned. Rosie, Rosie, your voice is a flame, igniting the darkness a new day. Rosie, Rosie, your music's a guide, leading us through the joy and the pride. Oh, oh, she's the one with the style that's so chic, a fashion icon setting the trend. From baseball caps to vintage kicks, she's the #1 girl, no tricks. Rosie, Rosie, your influence is clear. You're the top of the game, no fear. Rosie, Rosie, your brand is the talk. You're the face of the new, a big walk. Rosie,